Okay, guys, so you might know how to do this already, but I didn't. So if you know, awesome. I'm going to try this on Monday. So they told me to go into my resources and add, like down here, add and create something like in a note, which I'm going to do in a note. And I'm calling mine Les Petites Salles for little rooms. And then I'm going to put a chart in because that's going to be a nice, easy way to just keep it organized, I think, for them. So you have that in there. And then I'll have like salle 1, salle 2. Now, I did hear my French teacher in my little group, Jessica from Bel Air, say that you can only be on 4 calls at once. So I don't know if you really, this is where we were talking about that whole, can you have more than 5, 4 breakout rooms? But until the functionality works in the Microsoft Teams itself, this is going to be a workaround. So maybe if we just have to keep it 4 groups, we keep it 4 groups. We'll see. But that's still better than everybody at once. So then you go here into that next box and you're going to create your Teams meeting. She said that I did not have to change the dates or times or anything, so I'm not touching that. She did say under more options, right now it says people in my organization, but even though sometimes the kids are logging in the way they're supposed to log in, it's still telling them that they're outside the organization. I think we talked about that this morning. So if we make it everyone and everyone, then at least that alleviates that. We don't have to let them in one by one, or kids aren't getting left out. And then create, and that's it. And then you do that in each one of the blocks. So, I'll do it again. I'll call this one salle 2. And then change it so that I don't have to let people in through the lobby. I'll just make it everyone. Save that. Create. And then you would do it all the way down. And then once you're done, I'm going to make it not active because I'm only going to activate it when I'm using it in a playlist. And then when I'm done using it, I'm going to deactivate it at the end of class. So then that way kids don't have access to it outside of our meeting. I'm recording something right now. So then we're going to, so now you have that in your resources. So then you just go over to your plans and then you're going to add it. So let's say if my week 2, for example, plans, if I wanted it in here, my playlist, I'll press add. And this is so stupid, but I didn't know this. I was like, how do I get to my resources for my plans? You hit course and show all. And then down here is my rooms that I just created, add. And then here they are. They show up in the playlist. So she said that, once you've created one particular thing, you can always go back and edit. Like you could copy it, make it in a different place. You can add in your directions of who you want to go where or what activity or task you want them to do. So, you can edit this particular box, but like once you have it made, then it's all good to go. She also said that when they're finished with their little group, they press leave, like the hang up button and leave, and then it's going to say resume other call. So they have to go and resume the other call to get back into our big class meeting. So if you didn't know, hope that helps. I'm definitely going to try it next week and we can touch base and see how it works.